Now, what are the aims of plant breeding? The first and the foremost aim in plant breeding is to create useful variation in the crop plant. This can be achieved by the following measures: bringing wild food crops to cultivation, that is, wheats, oats, and many cereal crops were once wild plants which had now been domesticated. Obtaining genes from desirable plants or related species, example, as seeds from various parts of the world. Introduction of plants from nearby regions or even from other countries for improvement of the crop. Example, cauliflower, tomato, potato, and soyabeans. By employing certain plant breeding techniques, new varieties are developed. Example, maize, sorghum, cotton, and sunflower. Auto and Allopolyploid breeding. By inducting mutations using physical and chemical mutagens. Production of haploids by the application of plant tissue culture of anther and ovary. Improvement of nutritional quality by genetic engineering. Example, fortified rice, that is, iron-rich rice and carotene-rich rice. Development of disease, drought, and environmental stress-resistant varieties.